O to forger your ex girlfriend. Apinful a breaking, upcamb, it emotional falou after the fact ta quand lire un à person lire. Read the steps to learn no to forger your ex girlfriend en puis your life back to GT. Taking care of yourself. Give yourself team. I a terrible thing to go through garub recup. It would benefit if the roi somewhere to force yourself to pick up en move on at drop off at, but a just no up le work. Like it or no, you're going to need him to well. Ti guide quand on lit et le guide te healing en aston it sommer. It quand reduce team you'll need bayon à certain amour 1. Use your personal space. Maybe you own a home, maybe you only have alpha bedroom to call your own. Whatever the case, fin en place where you can be alone with your two, en let them come naturally. When you have personal space, you have no restriction on your two. Knowing you have a place where you can be totally honest with yourself will help you cope with your ranger sadness in the area of your life. If you don't have an useful space at home, try visiting a nearby park or schuliar a team when FOTP up are using it. Fin out of the way corner en stater for a will. If your personal space remain you of your ex girlfriend, rearrange it. Tak down en anything ta remain you of your team to GT, en give to all area a fresh look be moving furniture, changing decoration, or donating bar oblique saying extra stuff. Consider meditation during your personal team, to help you sorting out in your head. There are various meditation method, the most basic is to see embriatively, focusing on the physical sensation of your own body, until your to become clear and less overwhelming. Resist the temptation to call. Especially after long-term relationship, urge to get back into show with your ex can be overwhelming. Do your very best to resist it will only make it worse in the long run. Keeping a tally of all the time you start to get into show with your ex girlfriend. The act of keeping track will remind you to stop. If your ex is on getting into show with you, things become more complicated. It's best to avoid as much as possible, if you can. Try to explain to her that you need more time to get over. If she still cares all, she'll do her best to respect your wish. If she doesn't seem to be respecting your request, don't be too angry with her. It usually means she suffering almost as much as you are, and simply lack your self-discipline. Write down your tout emotion. Write as much or it play you want, but write something. Often, you'll find that when you start writing, you'll be able to stop quickly. Don't worry about the quality of your writing. Grammar, word choice, en haute susting don Matheon bit. Once you've written out tao all diatribe, burn it or tear it into piece and pit. The act of sending away you've wrote a very powerful psychological coping tool. Dansant, or plan to sang, en of your writing to your ex, no even a l'été. En movement you make it over, even in bitterness or frustration, a stepping the wrong direction. Remember, you're trying to cut it tab, not angle them. Write down your open interest. Whenever you're feeling self-possessed and not you don't need to want in your writing, try listing your talent, hobby, interest, ambition, and dream. You'll be reminded of a much else try in your life aside from your example. Organize the item of you want. Try ordered list, or just draw a big web of connected idea. Every time you hit on something that really excite or interest you, take a special note of it. You have the time and freedom to pursue the thing again, not a your single. Talk to a confidant. If you're lucky enough to have a trusted confidant can be a great way to unload some of your emotional burden. If you don't have a person you can trust WHO will see and listen to you, consider paying for a session with a counselor. Be absolutely sure your confidant is someone you can trust. You're very vulnerable right now, on a casual war from him or toute vron person could come back around and hurt you. Make it clear that you want it to stay strictly between the two of you. Give yourself a minute to get started. You'll feel embarrassed don't see at first, but if you talk for a couple of minutes on that your confidence in judging or ignoring you, the war will start coming faster than you can keep up. Rebuilding your life. Set strict boundary. Make conscious, sustain effort to maintain a bubble around yourself that your ex can pass into. If you're still in contact, make it clear to where that you're breaking off contact so you contact him you need well. Tell her not to call or text you, since you on respond. Turn on need to be rude or insulting when you tell her t. Ben polite but distant I bet a pro, it demonstrate that you are doing it just to get a rise out of her. If she asks l'anti-change will be in effect, tell her it will take along it take. Turn away to be a strict that on when you'll be able to be around there with feeling upset again. Some time only for a month or two, in our case, it could be for the rest of your life. But true to your word. Don't call, text, email, or write back if she contact you, unless you have a life and it reason for doing so. It will hurt when she realize she can't land on you anymore, but she'll be better off for it in the long run. Change your schedule. If you possibly can, try to make adjustment to your schedule so that you avoid having to say en more than necessary. If you work to GT, ask your scheduling manager if you can change your weekly schedule. You don't need to tell him or her about the breakup, just ask for the first shift. If you have class to GT, be civil in class, but ask the teacher if there any way you can move your seat to be far from her seat. Add to your life experience. Take care of yourself by pursuing the experience you've always wanted to have. Aside from obvious, en expansive, activity like tripant skydiving, don't forget to indulge the more than nothing, avel, visiting every park in the city, c'est un wapant to a penny let on the railroad track, singing karaoke, finding a toldest stone in the local cemetery. A penny on the railroad track on dry a train, in case you're worried. Embrace your hobby en interest. Feel your free time with steady progress en small victory instead of stinging your sadness en danger. Use the list you made of your dream, interest, en talent a guide. If you have used today drama book fixing, up a car, writing a book, or making your own win from scratch, know it best team to treat those long-term project. If you don't have a short-term hobby to fill in the space between project, we no pick up some from your childhood? Nobody around to think less of you for working on a model kit, filling in la coin collection, or trying to beat a difficult video game. Set a day routine. To make the most of your team, it helps to have a schedule you can stick to. Start with a regular bedtime and a regular waking time every morning. En ten rugly plan out your week de routine. Be sure to make time for hygiene, exercise, core, en mail. La du pure day off with plenty of personal time. Don't be too strict when scheduling your life, or you might get upset when things disrupt your plan. Instead, have a basic idea of how long a part of your day should take, en a regular order to those part. Anything more counterproductive. Explaining to your mutual friend. They have here side of the story been, but no terribly important. Ou amateur briefly explaining you felt to the friend you botcha. Ask them to be careful about no inviting you over when you're excited, and vice versa. Don't ask your friend to ozen of your water with pick acid. Petty, cruel, en une faire to them. If they like about you and your ex-girlfriend, that's their business. Socialize with your friend more. On of the two guest part of one single feeling lonely again after having someone around to spend time with whenever you wanted. Soft and blow be spending more time out with your ote friend. even to give on your ex might charmany of the samfrien, depending on all on you've tojete, en o close you've, turn horizon you can se tem we to wear around. Invite them out to it you en spantim forging close et bon with them. Be taking at initiative instead of waiting to be invited out, you'll show your frien you still care about them. Additionally, you'll have a great amount of control over you go on why you don't gt, which should help minimize the chance of running into your ex or anything that you offer. Remember, turn no harm in asking them to avoid getting but you on your ex to gt a partisan such. Juste be civil, and don't ask them to take a side. Trickling, up you have seen a much lately. They'll appreciate hearing from you, and you're no likely to run into your ex girlfriend around friend you didn't out with to gt. Be open to meeting new friend. No matter your age or social disposition, if you have the time to go dating with your friend, chance are go you'll more up sooner or later. Bangaging en friendly with them, and you may very well up making alkin of a new connection. Aside from giving you more chance to get away from your solitude and around daughter, he also a big ego boost to remind yourself tap up like you even in absence of your ex girlfriend, and you can still map up en mac friend with to hurt. Warning. Be avart if you text or my message to your ex abu a muchago on your inuit to air, chema use ti asomatin to log a with her friend or be petit abu. Stick to fact if you must contact her, such your stuff in the box at the front door of me sister Rose. Collect tomorrow or she will take it to the thrift store next day.